Hello, good morning, class 8th, all section A, B, C, D. Today is 7th October, worksheet 2nd. First sum simplify. So in this worksheet you can use laws of exponent. Simplify first part, x raised to power 1 upon 2 into x raised to power 5 upon 2. So dear children, here bases are same. In case of multiplications we add their exponent. We add their powers. Powers are 1 upon 2 and 5 upon 2. X whole to the power 1 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2. Both are like rest numbers. LCM will be denominator as is 2 and right numerator as it is 1 plus 5, 6. X raised to power 6 upon 2, 2 1 ja 3, x cube. Your answer is x cube. Second, x raised to power 6 upon 5 upon x raised to power 1 upon 5. This is from law first and second law, division. Bases are same. In division we can subtract their power 6 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5. X whole to the power 6 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5. Again like rational numbers, denominator will be your LCM and right numerator as it is 6 minus 1, 5 upon 5, 1. 6 x raised to power 1 is equal to x. Third one is, again this question is from your law, x raised to power 7 whole raised to power 0. Yes, we can multiply their powers. 7 zeros are 0. X raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So use again laws here. Any non-zero rational number whose power is 0, its value is 1. Next, fourth one. Now these questions are very important questions because their numerical coefficient are 5 and 6. So we can multiply 5 6 are 30. Yes, 30 into x raised to power 5 upon 6 into x raised to power 1 upon 2. So 30 into x raised to power 5 upon 6 into x raised to power 1 upon 6 is equal to 30 into x raised to power 5 plus 1 upon 6. 6 upon 6 means 1. 30 into x is equal to 30x. So rest one, only one part is left. You can solve yourself. Next, question number second. Find the value of 512 whole to the power minus 2 upon 9. Find the value of. So dear children, this 512 can be written as 2 raised to power 9. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32, 2s are 64, 2s are 128, 2s are 256, 2s are 512. So 2 raised to power 9 into minus 2 upon 9. 9 cancels, 2 raised to power minus 2. Yes, convert negative exponent into positive. This can be written as 1 upon 2 square. 1 upon 2 square means 4. 1 upon 4. So the value of 512 whole to the power minus 2 upon 9 is equal to 1 upon 4. Next, second part, 216 whole to the power 2 upon 3 whole to the power 1 upon 2. So dear children, you can use law here. Here powers are a raised to power m whole to the power n, m into n. 216 raised to power 2 upon 3 into 1 upon 2. 2 1s are 2 1s are 1 upon 3. So now 216 can be written as 6 cube. 6 cube into 1 upon 3. 3 3 cancels, 6 raised to power 1 is equal to 6. Next, I go for a seventh part, that is 27 raised to power minus 2 upon 3 into 81 raised to power 5 upon 4 whole upon 1 upon 3 whole to the power minus 3. So here 27 can be written as 3 cube and 81 can be written as 3 raised to power 4. 3 cube into minus 2 upon 3 into 3 raised to power 4 into 5 upon 4, and this 1 upon 3 whole raised to power minus 3 can be written as 3 cube. Convert this negative exponent into positive. This is equal to 3 cube. Now 3 and 3 cancels, 4 and 4 cancels. 3 raised to power minus 2 into 3 raised to power 5 whole upon 3 cube. So all bases are same. 3, 3 and 3. This is your multiplication and this is your division. So we can add minus 2 plus 5 and then subtract division minus 3. So minus 2 plus 5 minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 plus 5 0. 3 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Next, ninth, 36 raised to power 7.2 minus 36 raised to power 9.2 whole upon 36 raised to power 5.2. So dear children, again we can 36 is your perfect square number. 6 square into 7.2 minus 6 square into 9.2 upon 6 square into 5.2. 2 1 jar 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 2 1 jar. 6 raised to power 7 minus 6 raised to power 9 upon 6 raised to power 5. So in the numerator part we can taking the common factor, that is 6 raised to power 5. If 6 raised to power 5 is your common, then inside in the bracket left 6 square minus 6 4 upon 6 raised to power 5. Why we are taking the common that 6 raised to power 5? Because in denominators here 6 raised to power 5 is given. So 6 raised to power 5 and 6 raised to power 5 cancels. 6 square minus 6 raised to power 4. 6 square means 36 minus 6 raised to power 4 means 1296. 36 minus 1296 is equal to minus 1260. So now homework, do questions first and second of worksheet second. Do and revise question first and second of worksheet 2. So you can use these laws of exponent here in this worksheet. Rest one, totally this exponent and radical is same of class 7th. So use these laws. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.